Welcome to Reach, Maze's participant management tool. Access Reach from the left navigation, then click Import CSV to begin bringing in your data. Select your CSV file, which must include an email address property. Adjust each column as needed to ensure it has the correct field type assigned. Then review the imported data. Click specific cells to edit, or use the Show Errors filter to narrow your view. In this case, we've forgotten to include an email address for this participant, so we can add that in. The Show Changes filter is a great way to review any updates that you've made, while the Show Existing Participants will display any data that already exists within your Reach database. When you're ready, click Continue to confirm the import. To add data after your initial import, click Add Participants and choose to manually add an individual or upload an additional CSV file. By clicking a row, you can review key data points, edit details, quickly jump into results for recent mazes, and delete individual participants. Adjust the fields displayed to create a custom view within your Reach database. The filter option allows you to narrow your participant pool based on custom criteria. There are a variety of available filters, each of which includes different options based on the corresponding data. If you choose to add multiple filters, you'll see that these can be configured with and or conditions. Once you apply the filter, review the corresponding data and click Save Filters to create a new segment of participants. Filters within your segment function dynamically, so participants will be added or removed from the segment automatically as the data changes. Need to make updates to your existing segment? Click back into Filters to add, remove, or adjust your filters. Then either update your existing segment or create a new one. Segments can also be renamed or deleted by clicking the three dots next to the name. With your segment ready to go, click Send Maze to send a targeted email campaign invite. Start with a catchy subject line. Then customize the sender name, which is the label that will display in your contacts' inboxes when they receive the message. The email recipients will default to the segment you were just viewing, but can be changed to a different segment or all participants in Reach. Next, customize the email address from which the campaign will be sent. Enterprise plans also have the option to customize the sender domain. While a reply to email address isn't required, it provides your participants with a way to reach out to you directly, and if left blank, recipients will not be able to reply to this message. Build out the email body content and select a maze from the list, which only includes live mazes. Finally, customize your email signature, which can include an image as well as 2 lines of text, and can be disabled if you'd prefer. As you make updates to your campaign, you'll see those changes reflected in real time within the preview on the right. When you're ready, click Next to review your campaign details, including a breakdown of how many participants within your selected segment will receive this message. Those who have previously opted out of receiving emails, have already been sent this maze in a different campaign, or have an email address that had a delivery failure in the past will not be included. Send yourself a test version of the email to view it in your own inbox, then send to your segment. As results for your maze come in, click on a row to view engagement data about a specific participant. This includes last contact date, the total number of campaigns sent, how many mazes were started, and how many were completed. You can also review aggregate engagement metrics for your campaigns and send new campaigns within the Share section of your live mazes. Say goodbye to too many tools, clunky workflows, and disengaged research participants. Say hello to Reach.